Are you curious about how AI can benefit your business? How can you leverage AI to streamline operations, boost productivity, and gain a competitive edge? What practical steps can you take to integrate AI into your business strategy? In this video, we'll answer these questions and provide actionable tips for using AI to transform your business. Integrating AI into your business can offer numerous benefits, from improving efficiency to enhancing customer experiences. Start by identifying areas where AI can make a significant impact. Common applications include automating repetitive tasks, analyzing customer data for insights, and enhancing decision-making processes. One practical tip is to begin with AI-powered analytics tools. These tools can analyze vast amounts of data to provide valuable insights into customer behavior, market trends, and operational performance. By leveraging these insights, you can make data-driven decisions that drive growth and improve efficiency. Another strategy is to use AI for customer service. Chatbots and virtual assistants can handle customer inquiries, provide support, and even process transactions, freeing up your team to focus on more complex tasks. Implementing AI-driven customer service solutions can enhance customer satisfaction and streamline your support operations. AI can also be used to optimize marketing efforts. By analyzing customer data and behavior, AI can help you create personalized marketing campaigns that resonate with your target audience. From targeted advertising to content recommendations, AI can boost your marketing effectiveness and drive better results. As you integrate AI into your business, it's important to start with small, manageable projects and scale up gradually. This approach allows you to test and refine your AI applications before making larger investments. Additionally, consider partnering with AI experts or consultants to guide you through the implementation process and ensure you're leveraging AI effectively. And that's a wrap on using AI in your business. We've covered practical tips and strategies for integrating AI into your operations and enhancing your business. If you're eager to leverage AI for business success, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more valuable insights. Transform your business with AI and stay tuned for our next video.